Well, one thing for sure that we provide a very good service and good food, healthy food. We cater to any kind of parties, conference, weddings, birthday parties, any occasions that we can provide food to our clients. I am the main chef in Sona Restaurant, and it's all my creations and my own recipes that I make the food with. We have a variety of food, whereas a vegetarian meal, quite a large variety in that, people that are vegetarian, so they will have a lot of choices in Sona Restaurant. As well as we have non-vegetarian dishes where chicken, lamb, seafood as well served in the Sona Restaurant. We have quite a large selection of soup from vegetarian to non-vegetarian. Business hours are Monday to Friday, lunch buffet 11:30 to 2:30. Saturday and Sunday we have lunch on menu from 12 to 3, and we are open for dinner Monday to Sunday 9 to 5, and Friday and Saturday 5 to 10 o'clock. Sausage, I have several different sauces to prepare different type of food. Chicken, lamb, seafood. They're all individually prepared by each different kind of sauce, depending what you have ordered. We have from murg makhani, which is one of the very Indian popular dish, whereas a very authentic royal dish called korma is 100-year-old recipe has been used to create that, as well as vindaloo, which is another very popular dish that are come from Goa, from India, as well as very authentic Punjabi dishes, whereas saag, prepared by several different greens, absolutely delicious, very healthy for people that eat.
Owned by local resident and chef Shiv Kumar, would like to invite you to join him for a taste of India. Chef Kumar executes to perfection his love of food, giving each dish special attention to appease the individual palate, serving traditional Indian cuisine made with the healthiest, freshest ingredients and aromatic spices. His beautiful design dishes bring a delicate balance of tantalizing flavor. And paired with Sona's warm and exotic atmosphere, your mind will relax while your body and soul are nourished. Escape to a small piece of India. Visit us at 2900 Valley Avenue in Winchester, or call us at 540-667-9299 for reservations. Also on the web at www.sonacuisine.com. Sona, simply beautiful.